My name is Lori Mullen. I am a proud graduate of the 2019 Greenwich School of Herbalism. I am so excited for you to begin this journey. It is one of the greatest benefits of herbal medicine is that it gives us the ability to become more self-reliant, feeling that we have choices in how we care for ourselves and our families. That we ourselves can play a central role in the treatment and preventative medicine. It can help us build a positive attitude of empowerment. Rosemary Gladstone. And there are no truer words. So for today, I'm going to make Elcampane cough syrup, something I make this time of year during allergy season for my family, and I'm happy to share it with you. So I have started my double boiler, and I'm going to put my pot in. We are going to add 2 cups of water. Then we have Elcampane, 1/4 cup of Elcampane, and we're going to add that to the water. Then we have rose hips, and we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of rose hips. Now something I add to mine is wild cherry bark, and we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of wild cherry bark also. That helps to soothe and numb your throat. And we'll add that to the water. Then we're going to stir it. Then we're going to set and let it cook for 25 minutes. And then I'll be back with you on how to make the syrup.